You've probably seen the experiment of making a ping pong ball float in the air using a hairdryer. But today I'm going to show you a similar experiment with a balloon and a fan instead. I'm going to show you making a balloon float in the air using this fan. Now I'm going to show you the experiment with the hairdryer and the ping pong ball first, because I think many people are probably familiar with that. And the balloon and fan experiment that I thought of is very similar to this experiment. It's just with two different things. Okay, so this is the hairdryer and this is the ping pong ball, and I'm going to show you this experiment. Oops. Let's try that again. Maybe I didn't position the hairdryer very well. Okay, now I am going to talk about how this experiment works. So obviously, air blows onto the bottom of the ping pong ball to make it move up. But that air also goes to the sides of the ping pong ball, surrounding it. The surrounding air keeps the ball roughly in place and keeps it from falling off of the stream of wind. Well, that's how this experiment works. Now let's try it with the fan and the balloon instead. Now we actually need to remove this front grill thing around this fan first, because this makes the air coming from the fan blow at an angle. This front grill thing can also spin around so that the air from the fan can blow in many different angles. With this experiment, we need the air from the fan to be blowing out straight at the balloon, so that the balloon would stay roughly in place. So with this fan, you just unscrew this cap and unscrew a couple of screws inside to be able to take this front grill off. Okay, so this is the fan with the front grill thing taken off, and you can see that I have propped it up on two cardboard boxes. We need to prop it up because we need it to be mostly flat, and if we just put it on the ground, the air coming in from the back of the fan would be restricted from the floor. Okay, here is the balloon, and I am going to put it above the fan. Okay, it is floating above the fan. It's moving in lots of different directions. It's not really staying in one place. I think the balloon isn't staying roughly in the same place because the fan, the air coming out of the fan is not that even. Like in the middle there wouldn't be much airflow because there is this thing here. Also, this balloon is not perfectly round like the ping pong ball. So maybe sometimes one side of the balloon would catch more air than the other side. Now I used this fan to blow on the balloon because the fan blows out a much wider stream of air and the balloon is much wider than the ping pong ball. The fan blows out air with less pressure, but I think because balloons are less dense than ping pong balls, you don't need that high of an air pressure for the balloon to float in the air. Okay everyone, I hope you have enjoyed watching these random experiment videos, and I will talk to you in the next video.